Hi, all signed up for the app design class, and today is April 17th. I wanted to talk briefly about what we'll do next week and sort of give you a heads up of maybe you can prepare for the next app. Again, we'll do a basic audio player app, and in this case, if we look at the example here, I have a basic only one view controller for my example here today. And if we play the app here, it's basically going to play, it's starting, hopefully it's starting here. It's basically a music player. So right now I'm having it play poems by Edgar Allan Poe. I had to use copyright-free things because I'm the teacher and I should be using copyright-free things. You can steal from any music you want. One of the things to keep in mind with the player, though, is that I am using MP3s. The programming uses MP3s, so try and use MP3. I have, and if you look over here in the upper left corner, you'll see I'm using MP3s, .mp3. So I have 3 different MP3s. You'll see you can choose them down here in the app through the common rolling picker thing, and which we learned last week. And if I hit play,
The Telltale Heart,
an animation starts
Edgar
playing here,
Allan Poe.
and so we will learn how to do a basic cycle animation. We call it cycle because it's basically cycles through a series of still images, just like an animated GIF. And so you can see it there. Right now it's speeding real fast, but we will learn how to slow it down and speed it up. Also, there's a play button that they play the audio file. You have a volume control, high, low. It kind of starts in the middle. And that's pretty much about it. You can choose a different MP3.
Timberland, poem by Edgar Allan Poe.
And so you can hit stop. So it's pretty much basic. All I wanted to do today was just kind of tell you about it. So some of the things you can prepare for, of course, I would like you to have your own MP3s. So find some MP3s. A great place to download MP3s again would be where I got these MP3s. Of course, is the archive.org. And so if you haven't been there, I don't know if we've used archive.org in our class yet. Maybe I have to show you. Again, it's archive.org. It is like the internet library, and on there you can find a lot of different things that you can use, all kinds of music, all kinds of poems and things like that. In this case, I was just using Edgar Allan Poe. I don't know if there's a D in Edgar Allan Poe, is there? Yeah, I guess there's an E-G-D-A-R? No, E-D-G-A-R. Is that it? Something like that? Huh? Maybe not. Maybe there's nothing there. Oh, there we go. Yeah, this is where I stole that. As you can see, I stole that there. I stole his picture there. Again, these are mostly MP3s on here, so at least for mine, I went and stole some poems. You just like click on one. You can see this is audio. You can see the audio waveform. You can play it.
El Dorado.
And to download it, at least on this website, you'll notice over here in the lower right corner, you'll see this one. There's an MP3 right there. All you need to do is right-click on it, save link as, and boom, you can put it on your computer. Boom, there it is. So again, find an MP3, right-click on it, and download it to your computer. So again, there's all kinds of music. You could just type in any of your favorite artists. What is your favorite artist? I don't know when I don't have a favorite artist, do I? Well, I like ABC. From the 70s or 80s, that is. Wonder if they have ABC on here. Yeah, ABC is a thing. How about we put in ABC music? Let's see if they have any of that. Oh, there's a music video. I don't know. Something like that. I don't know. There's a lot of things. So just look for some audio that you want from your that you want to play. and download some MP3s. Try to keep them small and short because we're going to add them. We're not streaming this online, which the best way would be to put the music online and have it play from online, but we're going to embed the music. So try and find music that's not too big and use only a few, but have more than one, because we're going to have multiple ones. So if we look at the code real quick, we'll see we have two Swift files that we'll use for this. One of them would be a music, which is basically the a music Swift file, which is basically a class. So we build a class from that called music, and then we build albums from that, and from those albums then we will load in the music to each one. Then from the view controller, we basically using something called the AV Foundation, which is basically loading in the stuff for audio and video. That's what AV stands for, audio and video. And then you can see it's basically a player. There's an audio player, and then of course you have a volume slider and so on. For the images, I use PNGs. So again, we will cycle through a series of PNGs. So you might want to make those ahead of time. Think of what kind of artwork you would want to play during music. You could have some psychedelic things going or something interesting happening. So prepare for that for next week if you can. And I will see you on Monday morning.